Hello everyone and welcome back. I don't know what happened. I was trying to go live on YouTube and my connection got lost. But anyways, what I was up to is let me just do a little recap. Okay, I applied some of this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation stick, and this is in Sun-Kissed Beige. Mine's a little busted up because it fell, but it's okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna recap a little. I'm not gonna put much because I already did this step. I just want to go over it with you guys real quick. So then I used my sponge, and yeah, this is what I started doing. And I don't know what happened to the connection. Just got lost. I don't know. And that was sad because I was having a nice chit chat with you guys. Anyways, so yeah, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are all doing great. As for me, I'm good. I'm good. Thank God. I'm good. Okay, after that, I use this Absolute New York pencil on my brows. This is in brunettes. And I don't have my glasses on, so I'm winging it. But yeah, I'm just gonna do a little touch up here and there. And then I use the spoolie I did. So LA Colors pressed powder, and this is in tan. Oops. Yeah, that's not gonna work out. Okay, I'm going to begin by applying that shade right there into my brow bones. Because, like, why not? Like, I have to start somewhere, right? Why do I feel like I've never done this before? It's been so long, I'm telling you guys. Too long. But I guess it's like riding a bike, right guys? You get on, you start pedaling, and you're on your way. Okie dokie. That looks good right there. This is by Giovi. Yeah, I think I'll dig into one or two of these. Let's see. I think I'm going to use this one on my lids. Yeah. How that works out. I'm telling you guys, this is sad. But you know what? At least I'm making an effort, right? Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Oh, okay. That's really pretty. Wow. Okay, I see you. Now I'm going to, from the same palette, I guess I'm going to go the one directly underneath it, which is this one. A crease brush. Let's see. Go right in the crease. And blend that. Okay. from the Physicians Formula Quad, I'm gonna choose that shadow right there, the dark one. So we're gonna have to do, because those colors are so silky and so, they have a lot of slip, so they're just mixing into each other really nicely, too nicely. Yeah, there we go. And that Physicians Formula Quad is all mattes. That's what I needed. A matte moment going on. Yeah, I would like to upload makeup tutorials more often. Like, I really would. You guys let me know what you think about that. We could chat and do makeup. That'd be nice, right? I always like doing that. It's nice. I'm liking this moment right here. This is pretty. And this is a Revlon Color Stay. Revlon Color Stay Suntan Matte. It's always a nice touch. I need another brush. Let's take this one right here, and I'm gonna use this Revlon Color Stay in Brighten. There we go. And that is Brighten. Apply that. Highlight. Right there. Oh, that looks pretty. Hello. Clean it off. I'm going to take some of that Brighten and just a little bit right there. Just a tiny bit right there. Matter of fact. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Very nice. Okay. Let's see. Now I'm going to apply some blush, and this is by Nika K. It says a contour kit, and it's in CK02. Okay. Oh, sorry. That's what it looks like. It has a highlighter, so I'm going to use this one as my blush. Make a little moment right there. There you go. Instant color. Beautiful peachy keen, healthy glow. I like it. Yes, I do. I could have even used that as a highlight. One of these two on the top. Would have been great. Any one of them, actually. Okay, now I do need a liner now, right? Not lip liner yet. Eyeliner. It's the Nika K 24-hour waterproof eyeliner. And this is in dark brown. Okay, this one's dark brown, has a smudger. Also retractable. Yeah, I have a thing for retractable liners. I like them. Very handy. Okay, let's see. I'm telling you guys, I'm so out of practice. Oh, nice. There you go. Hello. Hello, eyeliner. It's coming along. You're probably like, where is it? It's right there. Give me a moment. You guys know I can barely see that well. And it's tickling. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna get back into the hang of this. Because Lord knows I need makeup. Let's use this smudger. Let's smudge that out a little. I like it. I'm gonna apply this Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara in black. Dollar Tree. Yeah, this has been good practice. I enjoyed this. This is really nice. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Now we're going to move to lips. And this is NYX, and this is Mahogany. Line my lips with Mahogany. Fill those lips in using Mahogany. And let's see, what are we gonna get for lippy? I like the way it looks as is. I like it. This is by Elf. And this is in Natural. It's a gloss one. I don't want to mess this up. Nice. I like that look. Okay. Okay, NYX Elf, all of you. I see all of you. today's look. So yeah, this is it. That's how it turned out. Not too bad for someone who's been out of practice. So yeah, if you have any suggestions, requests, comments, cares, concerns, anything, put it down in the comment section down below. I love getting feedback. I love getting feedback. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, comment, rate, hit the notification bell, share if you like, and yeah, tell me what I could have done different, or what would you like to see for next time. So thank you, and may God continue to bless each and every one of you. Until next time, God willing, may you all continue to stay blessed, beautiful, and ciao.